Alright, on 13 it says solve the system. So we haven't practiced this one in Algebra 2 yet, but we did do it in Algebra 1 in 8th grade, and that was elimination. I think we may have done it as a POD. So the easiest way to solve this one, and you can do it different ways. If you use substitution, that's fine, or graphing. But I'm going to show you what I think is an easy way, and that is when you have opposite signs of the same variable, you can just add the two together. So that's gone. That eliminates that because that's 0. 4y plus 5 would be 5y, and 1 plus 4 is 5. And then we divide by 5, and we get y equals 1. So we now know the y is 1. So if I do x plus 4 times 1 equals 1, I can solve for x. So that would be x plus 4 equals 1. Subtract 4, and we get x equals -3. 14, a rectangular field is enclosed, so I'm going to draw a rectangle with 360 feet of fencing. What is the length in feet of the field if its length is 6 more than its width? So here's my width, here's my length. Well, the length is really the width plus 6. And then this is the width, and the width plus 6. All four sides added up together equal the 360 feet of fencing. So W plus W plus 6 plus W plus W plus 6 equals 360. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 W's. 6 plus 6 is 12. Subtract 12. Divide by 4. And we get the width is 87. And the length is 6 more than that. So 87 plus 6 will give us 93 for the length. 15, combine like terms. So what I'm going to do first of all is get rid of this negative sign. So I'm going to distribute the negative. I bring down that first set of parentheses, and then negative x squared, negative times a negative is a positive. Negative times a negative is a positive. Then I combine like terms. 6x squared minus x squared is 5x squared. Negative 6x plus 5x is negative x. 4 plus 9 is 13. Alright, on 16, that's really one you can just type in your calculator, but if you don't type the parentheses, you will get the wrong answer. You should get 20 on that one. 17, what is the perimeter? That's the distance around of a rectangle whose length is twice its width and whose width is 5. So if the width is 5 and the length is twice that, then that would make it 10. Add up all four sides, 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5, and that should give you 30. Alright, simplify here. First, distribute everything. So we get 25 minus 10x minus 8 plus 6x. Combine like terms. 25 minus 8 is 17. Negative 10x plus 6x is negative 4x. So that would be D.